It's all from market original quality. Have many style. Real original or copy original. This one's original. Flycdi. Only one style. Where this Flycdi. So we compare two quality. Which one is real original? Okay.
Hello, I'm Kenka. Today my customer to give me the market original quality. It's all the different company from the market quality with the original quality. They thinking, my customer thinking this quality is very good. So we compare with the Flycdi quality. You only can see the Flycdi is brilliant, but this is all is off. Flycdi all is the color is very bit different. The Flycdi white color and this one is the market quality white color. It's different. You see, the white color is true color white. This color little gray. Flycdi quality. Then you will give up to buy the market quality original. So now we see that some detail. Flycdi with not only the display different, with inside also very bit different. Okay, so this is the Flycdi. Okay, we have the QR code. You can view the video for our company, and this is the logo. Okay, and this one we protect the glass. Everything here is different. This market quality. Okay, Flycdi also same like original, but we not only copy. We inside the display also is both is very important. Okay, the display is most important. So we not only just outside looking good. Inside looking also is very good. Every corner we have some group here. We put some we enter some group in the here to protect this corner. For outside product, they never put any group in the corner side. No put anything. So this is different. The outside looking good, outside protect good, the display good, everything is perfect. No same outside. It's different. So Flycdi, the quality is good. See you next time.